everyone. For those people who doesn't know me, my name is Rebecca Changkicha Sema. Thank you. People asked me channel for having me as one of your guests tonight. Normally, whenever people used to, ask such questions like the questions that I'm going to share with you now, 12 years ago it was funny, but now it's normal, to be very honest. It's been 13 years of my journey in Mumbai. So number one, wherever I used to go, they used to ask me, are you from China? Are you from Nepal? So like, they have never heard about Nagaland, and they have never heard about our culture. So that is how I used to handle. Secondly, how come you are in Mumbai? Why you are in Mumbai? मतलब इतना दूर से यहाँ तो भाई मुंबई तो मैं like any other impatient human being, I'm also here. I'm here to fulfill my dream, and like I'm living one of my dream now. Thirdly, आपको मतलब how come you can speak Hindi? So भाई, I'm also an Indian, and I'm from an Indian army family. So Nagaland also we speak Nagamis also, Hindi also, English also. That's not a problem. So that is something nothing new for us. Yeah.
Love Chummy. Thank you so much.
Shyly we look sad day, but seeing you all, it's a testimony, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Namaskar, good evening, Gangtok, Sikkim. There are people who have so much contribution from all walks of life, and their work is not recognized. It's my honor to be here, where these unsung heroes are being recognized.
People also ask about my projects. Definitely more projects are coming up, in Northeast. Mostly we focus more on Northeast, talented artists, and then the location definitely it's so beautiful. मेरी खुद की जगह है बोल के मैं तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ, but आप लोग को आके देखना चाहिए. It's really beautiful.
We are very proud to have a lady from the Northeast being in the Hollywood and producing so many movies, and we look forward in the future, even from Arunachal Pradesh, local talent from the Northeast, she will be helping the local actors and actresses to produce movies.
सीढ़ियाँ देख के हाँ घंटे के मतलब ऐसी है कि ना चलेंगे ना बाहर का शॉट तो ड्रोन से ले लेंगे.
I knew Rebecca for a long time, and I had visited Nagaland with Rebecca, and it's such a beautiful place, so clean, and the people are so lovely and warm and friendly, and I have to say there is so much talent. Bahan itni beshumar talent.
Good evening, everyone. I thank our Almighty God for this beautiful evening today. Friends, the images that you have seen from Nagaland, Sikkim to Mumbai, the journey, it's not a one-man army show. Behind this, there are few people in our circle, they are our friends, our our well-wishers. They work day and night, but then life would be incomplete if we don't at least change someone's life by encouraging one another. So 2018 April, we announced in Sikkim that just blindly we announced in Sikkim that we want to host this event, in coming here in Mumbai, without thinking, just like that. And I still remember my husband was sitting next to me, and he said like, Ilumi, आपके जोश में तो नहीं बोल रही हो, because मुंबई जैसे जगह में इवेंट होस्ट करना is just next to impossible. But मेरे लिए तो मुंबई ने बहुत कुछ किया है, और महाराष्ट्र में आके जो मेरी ज़िंदगी यहाँ पे बहुत सारी जो प्यार और जितना भी रिस्पेक्ट मिला, जितना भी नेम फेम मिला, मुझे महाराष्ट्र ने दिया है. तो मुझे लगा कि since I'm from Nagaland, and Nagas we say, अपनी हाँ सब के सलाम जानाई दिया से, और आइडिया लौने खुशी पाए से, thank you. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि नोटिस ही है तो बहुत लोग साथ नहीं देंगे, but ऐसा नहीं है. We are here today, irrespective of different background. We are one today. We are celebrating the humanity, the love and the affection. It speaks one heart, one India, one heart. So, ladies and gentlemen, I on behalf of my team, we are very thankful to you, and we welcome you all. And the 23 awardees, I really want to tell you something, that we had got 65 nominations from Northeast, entire Northeast, and the jury had a very tough time to decide, the awardees from the, irrespective of age different states, and they were like literally calling us the night what to do, because it was not very easy. We are really proud of you. I always tell people, like, gone are those days, पहले बोलते थे कि दुनिया बहुत बड़ा, आजकल ऐसा नहीं रहा. The world is becoming, very small. Whatever you do, it's visible. So we are watching. We are watching. Keep doing good work. We are really proud of you. And please, keep encouraging one another. And remember that we are with you. Thank you so much.
बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो साइलेंटली काम करते हैं, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं चलता है, तो उन लोगों को प्रमोट करने का तरीका यही है कि इन शॉर्ट दे आर हिडन डायमंड्स. तो हम लोग ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कम से कम हम लोग को बुला के थैंक यू तो बोल सकते हैं. तो सब नॉटिस से ही नहीं, बहुत सारा सब अक्रॉस द स्टेट कंट्री सब जगह है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम नॉटिस से यहाँ पे बुलाया गया है, क्योंकि हम लोग का वो एक इंटेंशन है कि यहाँ पे मुंबई में ज़्यादा बेटर प्लेटफॉर्म मिलेगा, और यहाँ पे महाराष्ट्र में ज़्यादा हम लोग को कंफर्टेबल है, क्योंकि बहुत साल से यहाँ पे हो, यहाँ का लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं. इसीलिए आज हम लोग यहाँ पे मुंबई BSC में ये इवेंट कर रहे हैं. जी, थैंक यू.
I want to congratulate all the awardees tonight. It's because of you all. The world is much more beautiful to live.
And also, most of the time people ask how come I'm in Bollywood, how I land up here. Today I want to tell you that I'm a big fan of Chandrakanda, Mowgli, those days, 90s. I grew up watching all those serials and Chitrahar, all the black and white movies. So I always wanted to be here, and today I'm here and living my dream. It speaks about like there is, no boundary. Though you're from a small town, you might be from a middle class family. Like no dream is big or small. It speaks about that. So I feel like genuinely I feel कि सबको पसंद आएंगे. Picture तो like सबको अच्छे लगेगा, I'm very sure. और मुझे इसलिए भी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि हम लोग को नॉटिस तो हम लोग का काफ़ी साल से एसोसिएशन भी है,
अरुणाचल दिखाना था सबको कि दैट इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन दिस सब्जेक्ट। और
इससे संबंधित एक सवाल करना चाहूँगा कि एक जो कई फिल्मों में भी आ चुका, चलते इंडिया में था कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट के आई हुई लड़कियों को कहा जाता है कि हमारी मेहमान है और लोग उनको बाहर का समझते हैं कई लोग, ये इंडियन नहीं है। क्या ये कुछ आपके पीछे तो नहीं था?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं,
भ्रम नहीं, वो भ्रम को तोड़ने के लिए कि नहीं, अरुणाचल प्रदेश इंडिया का ही पार्ट है।
आई थिंक 70 years ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद अगर थोड़ा बहुत एक्नॉलेज हो रहा है तो होने दीजिए, है ना, इतना तो हक बनता है।
कम समय में अखिल भारतीय स्वरूप अख्तियार कर लिया। इस बार जो एंट्रीज आई हैं वो पूरे देश के लगभग सभी राज्यों से हमें प्राप्त हुई हैं, और ऐसे में एक आवाज़, एक ऐसा फिल्मकार हमारे बीच में मौजूद है जो कि उत्तर पूर्वी भारत की आवाज़ को बुलंद करता है, वहाँ की बात कहता है, संस्कारों की बात के साथ साथ समाज को झकझोरता है। उसकी फिल्में एक ऐसी आवाज़ जिसको आप जानना चाहेंगे, जिसको आप समझना चाहेंगे, उनके विजन को, सुश्री रेबेका जी को, कि वो मंच पर आएं और अपनी बात को यहाँ पर रखें और लोग उनको सुनना भी चाहते हैं। सुश्री रेबेका जी।
Good evening, Delhi. Respected all the guests, my dear friends. My name is Rebecca Chankija and I'm from Nagaland. I'm based in Mumbai. I'm a filmmaker. It's a privilege to stand here because I believe I'm standing in front of so many change makers in our society. Thank you very much. In short, I was told that I'll be getting only 3 minutes to speak. First of all, I want to congratulate all the organizer team for, having something, such event for the upcoming filmmaker, because such kind of platform we never got, at least. Because I come from a place where I get very less, platform and opportunities. So when I got a call from Arunji, and when he said about this event, I was very excited. I thought oh my God, I'm going to learn something, and this is it. Okay, since everyone is talking about Bollywood, so let me also say something about my Northeast, the 8 states of Northeast. Sir, when we go abroad to shoot, to show to the world a different kind of beautiful scenic, please, I want to say Northeast is such a beautiful place. आप लोग को फॉरेन कंट्री दिखाना है, आप लोग को जैसे दिखाना है उससे भी बेटर नॉर्थ ईस्ट है, 8 states है. I kindly urge you all to please come and be part of our culture also, and show to the world that India is also equally beautiful to other part of country also. Thank you very much.
So we want to showcase that through cinema. So more projects are coming up, and then so many inquiries are coming about Northeast Unsung Hero कि 2020 क्या होगा पता नहीं है बोल के उन लोगों को भी कुछ information नहीं है. So I want to tell you this, that 2020 Northeast Unsung Heroes, we are planning a digital platform पे. So very soon we are going to announce on social media and through digital other newspapers, etc. So we will update very soon. Anyways, thank you very much once again for having me. Thank you, People Ask Me channel.